Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olaf for Mobile WizTech. Today I'll be doing a review and a giveaway for the Poetic Revolution protective full body case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So stay tuned. Now before I get started, I do want to give a big thanks to Poetic for sponsoring this video. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so that way you can stay up to date when new content is posted on my channel. So again, this is the Poetic Revolution full body protective case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And it comes with this quick installation guide. Tells you how to install it onto your phone and some contact information if you want to get more information about the company. So again, this is the case. So this is made out of military grade material, as you can see there. Nice, thick, sturdy case. It does have this kickstand, which is pretty cool, so you can look at videos on your iPhone 11 Pro Max. And then it also has, well, I gotta peel this off here. It also has this protective shield for your screen, which is pretty cool. And it's all you need to do to install this, real simple, is you take your phone, you stick it in there, facing forward, and then get this, and then get this part, and you slap it on this way. So this comes in two other colors, 3 in total. So you have black, which is being reviewed in this video. You have blue, and then you also have white. And after you squeeze all the corners and make sure that everything is sealed and lining up correctly, you should be all set. And as you can see, you have your speakers, charge port, your buttons, and then your audio port, your cameras, and again, like I said, your kickstand. So you can just lay that bad boy down like this and you should be good to go. Nice solid feel to it. It has a non-slip feel to it as well, so your phone will surely be protected all the way around. And I like it. It's, you know, it gives you the scratch resistance, and it has a good feel, like I said, in the hand. So all in all, I say this is definitely a major, I'm gonna sound like floss right there, but it's definitely a good case, and I will recommend it. It's $16.99. I'll have a link posted in the description. And yep, so regarding the giveaway for this here, in order to qualify, number 1, you need to subscribe to my channel. Number 2, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and also like my Facebook page. 4, comment in this video. And the last thing, which is optional, if you could like the video, I would truly appreciate it. And I will have what is what is required in order to participate in this giveaway. I'll have it listed in the description below. With the build of this case, you definitely would not have to worry about dropping this anywhere. Again, you get the screen protection, and it has a solid feel to it. So I mean, you have lip there. Well, you don't have to worry about lip because you have the screen protector. So you're getting full protection with this case, guaranteed. So the time span of this giveaway would be starting from today, November 1st, all the way through November 15th. And you pretty much have 2 weeks to meet the requirements in order to qualify for this giveaway. So if you are interested, the best of luck to you. I will announce the winner in the chat section or the comment section below on the 15th of November. Again, this is the Poetic Revolution protective full body case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. As always, I do thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and also share and comment. And until next time, keep it mobile.